Do you want to boost your credit score instantly, not by trying to repair your credit, paying down current debt, or signing up for a credit builder program? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Stay tuned. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. I want to take a moment to thank everybody who subbed and supported the channel so far. I just hit 20,000 subscribers, and to celebrate, I want to say thank you and share some great information. If you're a sub or a regular viewer, you know about my links where you can get paid just for setting up a new bank account or adding a $500 trade line on your credit report for $24, and this will help you raise your credit score. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can boost your FICO credit score instantly, and I'm also going to show you a hack on how to do it free. The product we're talking about today is from Experian, called Credit Boost. If you've seen the ads, you might have wondered, what's Credit Boost, and more importantly, does it work? I've wondered the same thing, so I had to try it out for myself. Credit Boost allows you to add bills you already pay, like phone, utilities, streaming services, and more, to your credit report as a trade line. And since 35% of your credit report is payment history and 15% is credit age, you're automatically adding depth to your credit report. So it's easy to sign up. You can go to Experian.com or click the link in my description and get a 7-day free trial. So let me show you how easy it is to set up. First, you're going to sign in, create an account, then you're going to link your bank account. Not all banks are available through this platform, but most major banks are. I did use my Chime account, link in description, to get $100 when you set up a new account. After you choose your bank account and link it, Experian will scan that account for bills. Next, it's going to tell you what bills are available to add to Credit Boost. I should point out that you can add bills manually, like adding a Netflix account or a water bill directly to Experian. It has to be paid with the linked bank account or even a credit card. After you choose the accounts you would like to add to Boost, you'll see your results instantly. You can always remove your boost if you don't like the results. So check this out. When I did Credit Boost, my score went from a 604 to a 614 instantly, boosting my credit score by 10 points by doing nothing else by adding some accounts to my credit report. And then about a week and a half later, my score went up another 3 points. Then from there, it went from a 617 to a 624, boosting my credit score by another 7 points. And as of this video, my score went up by another 10 points from a 624 to a 634, doing nothing else but adding Credit Boost to my credit report. And another great reason to sign up with Experian is they have a recommended card section where they'll show you what cards you're most likely to qualify for. And what sets this recommended card section apart from other sites like, for example, NerdWallet, is NerdWallet and similar sites will ask you to describe your credit score: excellent, good, average, or poor, without knowing your credit details. Experian, on the other hand, has your actual FICO score and credit report, which can more accurately match your report to a card where you have higher approval odds. I myself was skeptical and didn't want to waste a hard inquiry, but tried it. Applied for a recommended card with high approval odds and got instantly approved. Although it was only $500, it's going to pad my credit report, potentially raising my credit score higher further down the line. Here's a hack. Get the trial, set up Credit Boost, and before your 7-day free trial is up, cancel. And whatever was added to Credit Boost stays on your credit report, and you just use this service for free. Come check this out real quick. Check out how much my credit score actually went up. So right here, this is March 18th, which is roughly about 3 months ago. So my credit score was 558 on March 18th. From here, I did the Credit Boost right here on the 16th. My credit score went up again from 604 to 614. So all these are little increments of my credit score going up. Right here from 617 to 624. But look at this big one right here. On July the 18th, which was about a week ago, check out how much my score actually went up there. 51 points right there, 683 from a 558. My score went up by over 100 points when I set up Credit Boost. I haven't really done anything else with my credit. I did take out 2 credit cards. I haven't used those credit cards. Now, results are gonna vary, but this is a free service, so why not try it, right? You have nothing to lose. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know how much your credit score went up using Experian Credit Boost. Links in description. Check you on the next one.